Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know about glow in Photoshop. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is select the object that you want to put the glow on. And then in the layer section, click the effects button and click blending options. There are two types of glow, outer glow and inner glow. Let's go over outer glow first. As you can see, here are all the settings and I will guide you through each one of them. The first thing you see is opacity. The lower the percentage is, the more transparent it is. I'm going to keep it at 100%. The next option you see is noise. The higher it is, the more pixelated it gets. I'm going to keep it at 0%. The next option we have is to select the color of the glow. I'm going to select the color of the YouTube logo. So let's go back a little bit. We have blend mode. You have the option to choose any blend mode you have in Photoshop. Let me show you an example of blending modes. If I put the blending mode color, it will only glow in front of the object that is behind it, as you can see here and here. Now there's a whole video dedicated just to blending modes, so I won't go in depth in this video. But if you want to learn more, feel free to check out that video as well. We also have the option to choose a gradient for the glow. For this case, we're going to keep it red. The next thing we have is elements. The first option of elements we have is technique. We have two techniques, softer and precise. Let me zoom in so you guys can see a little better. The first option is softer, which you can see is soft, and precise. I'm going to keep it soft now. Then we have spread and size. I'm going to adjust the size to 100 pixels. And the spread controls how much you want the glow to be filled. Let me show you. I'm going to keep it at 25%. The next thing you can control is the quality. Let me show you what that does. The range, similar to spread, controls how much you want it to be filled. I'm going to keep it at 75%. And jitter can give it a more soft look. I'm going to keep it at 100%. And the last option you have is to control the contour. Let me show you. You can control this graph and get more precise options for your glow. I'm going to keep it as it was before. And this is all the settings you have for outer glow. Let me show you what inner glow does. As you can guess by the title, it just makes a glow inside the object instead of outside. Most of the settings are the same as on the outside glow, but there are a few differences. I made it blue so you can see it a little better. The differences are in the elements section. You again have the softer and more precise technique, but there's two new options, source and choke. Source allows you to choose if you want the glow to come from the edge or the center of the object. I'm going to keep it as edge. And choke allows you to choose how much you want the glow to be filled out. And let's say I want to make this triangle glow as well. So what I'm going to do is select the quick object selection tool, select the triangle, Ctrl J on PC and Command J on Mac. I'm going to copy layer style, paste layer style, go to outer glow, change the glow to white. And as you can see, I have this red outline, which I can fix by going to stroke, inside the stroke, and select the color of the play button. And then I'm going to tweak the settings a little bit to make it look nice. And just like that, we have a glowing play button. So using what I taught you in this video, I want you to open Photoshop and try to recreate this image that you see on screen by yourself. Good luck and let me know if you did it in the comments. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials. And if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.